Hi YouTube viewers, welcome back to my next video. In this video we are going to see how to create a drop down menu list in an Excel. Okay, so if we want a drop down list, so first of all the things which we require are we need to write it down. For example, if a shop has some goods in it, if a computer shop has some goods in it, so we need to mention what are the goods present in it, and depending upon that he will be selecting one by one and he will be creating his invoice or something kind of thing. Okay, so many things we can do by using the drop down list. I will be implementing this drop down list later in the videos, or you can see my first video which we have created for the thing what we do, for the reason why we have created. You can able to understand in that my first video. So let us see practically right now. So if a computer shop has a mouse, let us think a monitor, CPU, RAM, keyboard, speaker, processor, motherboard, SMPS, cabinet. These are the things which for example, let us think these are the things which a shop has. Now we need to create a drop down menu for these things. If a user need to select that drop down menu, and then he should select the item actually. So let us create it. For this, what you require is you need to select the cell for which cell you require a drop down menu, and go to data and data validation. You need to go here, and in this data validation you need to select list. Okay, from this you need to select the list, which list you require, and click on here. So here is the source from which D4 to D13 the list which you want is nothing but here allowing your list. Okay, you can give an error message if someone types other than that or anything else, you can give it here. Okay, right now I am not giving any alert message, I am clicking it OK. So now here you got a drop down list where you can select your keyboard. Similarly, if you want for everything, okay, everything if you want, then what you need to do is you need to just select it and you need to drag it till how many rows you require. You need to drag it, you will be getting in each and every row you will be getting your drop down list. So this is a simple technique to use to create a drop down menu. Hope this video will be helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, and if you like this, please like that button. Thank you for watching.